have for you some new styling tips when it comes to such an understated garment. I'm sure each of us have at least one. What am I talking about? Of course you know from the title already, scarf. I'm talking about scarf, and believe me, I was never a scarf person, and I actually never wore this type of scarf, minus scarf for winter, which is like a big knitted chunky warm fuzzy thing, because I was raised in Poland and you know our winters are harsh. Other than this, I would never think of wearing a silk scarf. In my head it was for something for older ladies, older women. My grandma used to wear this. It's so versatile, it's so understated, it can be such a non-obvious, stylish and fancy and cute addition to outfit, and you can incorporate it in so many ways. Let me show you how. Before we get to it, I just want to tell you how I convinced myself that wearing scarf looks good. Obviously it was during my flight attendant years. I was working as a flight attendant for 4 years, and I was obliged to wear a scarf on the side, tied on the side of my neck, every day as a part of uniform. I will insert a picture of how it looked in here in a moment, but I want to show you what I kept. This is obviously not the one from classic basic uniform, because this one was. This is a special edition, and this one I kept. The previous one I had to return, obviously, when I was returning my uniform when I finished my service after I quit my job. But this one is such a collector item. This is designer scarf. It's made of a thick, very thick silk, and it was made for Etihad by Diane von Furstenberg. As you can see, this is a very famous, very well-known designer. I love her wrap dresses. I think it's so flattering. Every woman looks good in her dresses. Oh my god, how could I not keep this? Will I ever wear it? Of course not, but I just wanted to keep it. And this was made as a special edition for Etihad crew to promote Formula 1 events. As you know, Etihad is a home to host Formula 1 events, and during that time crew was supposed to promote that, so therefore we were wearing those scarves. Let me show you how I was tying this one. Oh my god, it's been a while, it's been a year, but yeah, it's like riding a bike, you don't forget how to do it. This one is shorter than a regular one, obviously minus a hair. They had to be in a bun, but it looks something like this. I think it looks super fancy, classy and elegant, and especially now when I have jeans and t-shirt, I see it looks really cool. But anyway, this is not a garment I want to talk about today. I just wanted to show you this as a memory and a collector piece, because every fashion person, I think, would want to have a piece from Diane von Furstenberg, obviously. Let's get to the star of today's video. All major brands carry scarf. Dior has mitzah, Hermes has Twilly, and of course those are on the pricey side, quite expensive. But if you want to just buy a simple ones from H&M or Zara or any other high street brand, I cannot come up with any right now, but I'm sure they all have it. You can find it everywhere. So find the one that you like. I want to give you a tip of a century, tried and tested by our grandmothers. This little thing will get you a man. Trust me. You are walking down the street and you see a handsome gentleman, this gorgeous man walking behind you. What you do? You just casually, accidentally, obviously, drop it. He will surely pick it up, and there you have it, conversation starting point at a ladder. You can thank me later. Okay, enough of that. Let's get to all the other ways we can style this little piece.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.